Now, in my opinion, I don't think there's a better four-wheel drive to buy right now than one of these, the new Range Rover Sport. This has just arrived. It's the best colour. It's Borasco Grey SE. You can see it looks absolutely fabulous. On a 2023-23, it's only got 9,000 miles. It has the key features. One, the colour, I've mentioned it, Borasco. It's got a black roof, it's got a sliding roof, it's got the 22-inch SV bespoke wheels, it's got steps, it's got mud flaps, it's got a Ghost Immobiliser, plus the most modern features you could wish for from a four-wheel drive. It pretty much comes with everything. Meridian sound system, electric memory seats, air suspension, adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, 3D 360 surround view camera. This is an absolute mega car. I love it, I love the colour. Now, forget all the hype you'll hear about these. You can't get them insured. Well, you can. We sell them. I've got one. You can get them insured. This has also got a Ghost Immobiliser to help your insurance. Forget about that. But we've also got people saying they're getting stolen. Really, is that true anymore? It was true a little while ago, but now it's not really true. Land Rover have done theft mitigation recalls on these cars. This one looks absolutely exceptional. And the key features are what I've mentioned. So the steps on these cars, they're expensive. This one's got them. It's crisp all throughout, exterior and interior. It's a lovely condition, black leather, but that sliding roof makes a massive difference on one of these cars. The glass roof isn't even standard. Sliding roof is lovely. Then we've got the exterior styling, so privacy glass is an option, black roof as an option, all the inserts into the bonnet and wings in black. They look great. 22-inch SV bespoke wheels. They're actually a bi-colour wheel. You don't think it, but they're actually gloss and satin, which look great. From front to back, this car is fantastic. You've got to admit the colour and the combination of it, it's stunning. 9,000 miles, it's all it's done. Now, these cars come with air suspension, switchable in the boot. Obviously, it's a Range Rover Sport. We've got lots of space in the boot. We've got assisted tailgate, lovely LED lights front and rear. This is a fab car. It doesn't stop there. Keyless entry, heated rear seats, reclining rear seats, cabin lighting, just a fab car. Love this. And it's priced in the market to sell. I think if you're looking for a Range Rover Sport, this is a great buy. It's great value. And it comes with all the options, like I've mentioned. You'll see it at the door. We've got full electric seats with memory for driver and passenger, electronic child locks, electronic windows, folding door mirrors. Then you get adaptive cruise. So drivability is fab. In the mirror, you'll see we've got blind spot assist. And other things, full switchable digital interface, heated steering wheel, this lovely iPad-like screen which gives you all your four-wheel drive and terrain settings, as well as smartphone integration which is wireless, navigation, Bluetooth, media integration, this mega camera system, reversing, top view and 3D camera. There's nothing this car wants for really. Look at this, it's fab stuff. Putting that back into park, going into the car menu, you've then got options to turn off. This is really important because a lot of people hate that start stop. You can turn it off there. Brake assist, so the car will hold itself at lights and things when you're braking without taking it out of gear. And then you've got air suspension. Heated front seats, just switchable here. Digital climate control, heated front and rear screens, different drive modes, 2 keys, everything. It is a cracking vehicle, this, it really is. And its condition is fabulous. With that Ghost Immobiliser, it's a nice little option. But little things you might not notice on this car that are extras. The mud flaps, functional but look good. The steps, black braking calipers, Brembo braking calipers, that is an option on this car. So it just looks absolutely lovely. Let's stick that back on for you, Tom. Car is stunning front to back. It's on the website now. It's done 9,000 miles. It doesn't need anything. It's ready to go. Thanks for watching.